it's a great program. We basically have every machining type process in our shop. We probably have one of the finest facilities in North Carolina on the community college level. There's every aspect from a machinery standpoint in the building that you can learn from. The students that I generally see, the majority of them are hands-on type learners. Pretty good math students. You got to have a lot of good math skills to do this type of occupation. Any facility that uses machining processes, you could become a process technician in those facilities. A CNC machinist, tool and die making. Some of our guys end up getting into the CAD end of it where they do the drawing for the companies that will be manufactured out on the floor by the machinery. So there's a wide array of occupations that this can get you ready for, this program can get you ready for.
You get more opportunities to machine hands-on because if you have a question, you can go get one of the instructors that are willing to come out here and talk. And the difference between that and work is we're not worried about production and crunch time. So you get to work at your own pace and learn, and you get more time to make mistakes and learn from them here than at your job. I have not had one bad experience with the whole program. The community college, there's many people you can talk to. They're willing to help you, show you hands-on. There's probably not been one bad experience I've had. Personally, I would want to have a job at like a machine shop or even come back here and teach it part-time because I want to see kids grow and learn in this industry. If somebody's looking to go in this program, I think it's a great field. There's a lot of great people, a lot of great opportunities out here. Just learn from your mistakes because they can give you life-changing experience. Just keep your school going and just keep going through it.